how to fix Cash App blocking payments. I'm going to show you a few different things that you can do. The first thing that you have to do is open up Cash App, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and if you haven't done so already, you want to verify your identity. Click on verify identity here in the top, and then you just want to provide your personal information, your ID, social security number, so they can verify your account. Once you have done this, the second thing that I suggest doing is checking your limits. If your money is getting blocked, then here you want to see your limits. So for example, currently I have a send limit of $1,000 per month, $1,500 total. Again, the same is going to be for the receive limit, and the cash balance is going to have a limit of 1,000. If you have verified your account and have been using Cash App for a while, then your limits are going to be higher. And the last thing that I suggest doing is going into support. Here you will click on Cash App support at the top, and you want to say payment blocked why, and then you will send this message, and this is going to connect you with a Cash App support specialist, and they will explain why your account isn't able to send or receive payments. And that is basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.